Welcome to StockInvest YouTube channel and this stock report for Camber Energy. The report was first published on our website November 17, 2021, but this is a more detailed version which also includes some fundamental data you need to know. In this 7 to 10 minute long video, we give you the information you need to know about Camber Energy for the upcoming trading day on Thursday 18th, like support and resistance levels, signals, chart analysis, price to earnings ratios, and possible trading levels. Make sure you watch the entire report so you don't miss out on some key information needed for your trading. Please remember to subscribe so we can continue to grow and give you these free videos. Make sure to hit like and notification bell so you will be first to know when we post a new video. Now just sit back, relax, listen and watch the screen as we will show you some interesting data as we move along with the report. In this section you will get some information about the current Camber Energy performance to better understand where the stock is right now. In our systems, the Camber Energy stock currently holds a -0.490 score, and our system has ranked Camber Energy hold candidate since November 17, 2021. Over the next few days, we will see how this evaluation performs. In our daily updates for Camber Energy, our last headline reads, "Volatile ride for Camber Energy Incorporated stock price on Wednesday moving between $1.27 and $1.51. The Camber Energy Incorporated stock price gained 29.73% on the last trading day, Wednesday, November 17, 2021, rising from $1.11 to $1.44. And has now gained 3 days in a row. It will be exciting to see whether it manages to continue gaining or take a minor break for the next few days. During the day the stock fluctuated 18.9% from a day low at $1.27 to a day high of $1.51. The price has fallen in 6 of the last 10 days, but is still up by 15.2% over the past 2 weeks. Volume has increased on the last day along with the price, which is a positive technical sign, and, in total, 233 million more shares were traded than the day before. In total, 273 million shares were bought and sold for approximately $392.71 million. In the last 52 weeks, the highest price of the stock was $4.85, and the lowest price was 33 cents. Right now the price is 70.31%, or $3.41, below 52-week high and 99.97%, or $5.186.06, below all-time high January 5, 2016 where the price hit $5.187.50. The Camber Energy stock trends, predictions and analyst ratings. Soon we will give you the analyst ratings for the stock, but first the trends. The stock lies in the lower part of a very wide and strong rising trend in the short term, and this may normally pose a very good buying opportunity. If the lower trend floor at 94 cents is broken, it will firstly indicate a slower rate of rising, but may also be an early warning for a trend shift. The current 3-month trend indicates a possible 17.23% change over the next 3 months, with a possible return between 46.11% and 306.76%. The 12-month trend indicates a 3.3% change over the next 12 months with a possible return between -3.78% and 244.68%. This equals a price between $1.39 and $4.96 after a year. Here are some price predictions from StockInvest users. User 1 predicts that Camber Energy will go up $0.0900 and end trading at $1.53 on November 18, 2021. User 2 predicts that Camber Energy will go up $0.0243 and end trading at $1.46 on November 18, 2021. In addition, 2 users say buy. Analyst ratings and price targets. From analysts, Camber Energy stock received a general neutral rating. The analysts give PE ratio a strong buy and price to book a strong buy rating. For the return on investment, the analysts give the Camber Energy stock and sell rating. In this section, we will give you some information about signals found for Camber Energy. We will start with the general picture before we move on some of the most famous indicators and signals that will give you a deeper and better understanding of the trading possibilities in the stock. Furthermore, there is a buy signal from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence MACD. Volume is rising along with the price. This is considered to be a good technical signal. Some negative signals were issued as well, and these may have some influence on the near short-term development. The Camber Energy Incorporated stock holds a buy signal from the short-term moving average. At the same time, however, the long-term average holds a general sell signal. Since the long-term average is above the short-term average, there is a general sell signal in the stock, giving a more negative forecast for the stock. On further gains, the stock will meet resistance from the long-term moving average at $1.53. On a fall, the stock will find some support from the short-term average at $1.16. A breakup through the long-term average will give another buy signal, while a fall below the short-term average will add another sell signal and strengthen the general signal. A sell signal was issued from a pivot top point on Thursday, September 30, 2021, and so far it has fallen -62.30%. Further fall is indicated until a new bottom pivot has been found. Here are some other signals you might find interesting. Moving average convergence divergence holds a buy signal. Pivots gave a sell signal 35 days ago. Bollinger gave a buy signal 67 days ago. The short-term moving average for the 3-month chart gave a buy signal 2 days ago. The long-term moving average for the 3-month chart gave a buy signal 22 days ago. The relation between the short and the long moving averages in the 3-month chart gave a buy signal 27 days. If we look at the 12-month chart, we see short moving average gave a buy signal 2 days ago. The long-term moving average gave a sell signal 4 days ago. The relation between the short and the long moving averages gave a buy signal 52 days. Remember to go to our page at StockInvest.us if you want to find more signals. Support, risk and stop loss for Camber Energy. Camber Energy Incorporated finds support from accumulated volume at $1.39, and this level may hold a buying opportunity as an upwards reaction can be expected when the support is being tested. This stock may move very much during the day, volatility, and with a very large prediction interval from the Bollinger Band, this stock is considered to be very high risk. During the last day, the stock moved 24 cents between high and low, or 18.9%. For the last week, the stock has had a daily average volatility of 10.89%. The stock has a beta of 2.42. This tells us that Camber Energy is 1.42 times more volatile than the market. Let us have a look at some fundamental data you should be aware about before we tell you some possible good trading levels for Camber Energy. The price-to-earnings ratio, P/E ratio, is the ratio for valuing a company that measures its current share price relative to its per-share earnings. Camber Energy currently has a price-earning ratio of -11.33. A negative high price-to-earnings ratio means the company has negative earnings or is losing money. Even the most established companies experience down periods, which may be due to environmental factors that are out of the company's control. However, companies that consistently show a negative price-to-earnings ratio are not generating sufficient profit and run the risk of bankruptcy. Here are some possible good day trading levels. On an upturn, Camber Energy meets first resistance at $1.53. If you do not hold Camber Energy shares, you should wait for this level to be broken before placing your bet. If you already have the stock, this is the level you may want to swing trade. On a downturn, Camber Energy finds first level of support at $1.39, and this is a natural place to put your bet if the support holds with an expectation of a rebound upwards. Other levels you should watch based on the famous Fibonacci model are: buy at $1.31, $1.26, $1.17. Sell at $1.50, $1.55, $1.65. The latest analyst ratings for Camber Energy. The average ratings, combined from several analyst sources for Camber Energy, is neutral. Here are some of the latest insider trades. The 5 latest insides trades have been done by Azar 2 Richard Nathan, whom have bought and sold 84,494 shares or options in the company. Please go to our webpage at StockInvest.us to find more details about the trades. Based on the 100 latest insides trades, we have calculated the insider power to be negative at a ratio of 0.915. In total, the insiders bought 6,110,189 and sold 6,675,191 shares in the last 100 trades. Our recommended stop loss is $1.36, minus 5.88%. This stock has very high daily movements, and this gives very high risk. There is a sell signal from a pivot top found 34 days ago. Is Camber Energy stock a buy? Camber Energy Incorporated holds several positive signals, but we still don't find these to be enough for a buy candidate. At the current level, it should be considered as a hold candidate, hold or accumulate, in this position whilst awaiting further development. We have upgraded our analysis conclusion for this stock since the last evaluation from a sell to a hold/accumulate candidate. After analyzing the volatility and movements for the last trading day, our systems find that the current price is overvalued. For the trading on Thursday 18th, we expect Camber Energy to open down negative $0.0333 and start trading at $1.41. We remind you that trading involves a high risk of losing money, and that you should speak with a financial advisor before buying or selling any securities. You should not base your investment decision upon StockInvest.us. By using the information you agree and are held liable for your own investment decisions. That's the end of this video. Thanks for watching. Leave a comment if you have any questions and don't forget to subscribe to the channel.